Hey friends, today it was 105 here in Wichita, and yesterday it was 111. And I just thought I'd remind you of what happened on here in Wichita on February 1st of this year. So just enjoy. Bye.
Hey friends, here we are in beautiful sunny Kansas. Right now the temperature is 3 degrees, but the wind chill is 21 degrees below zero. And I thought you might like to see your friendly neighborhood tribal Schaible braving the cold to go get the newspaper, enjoying this. I love these extremes. They're different. Whew. It is cold, cold, cold here. Here's what my house looks like right now. Going out to get the newspaper, at least one of them. Blew out here, it looks like. I don't know where my other paper is. Oh! There's the trucks over there. Yeah, it doesn't get this cold very often, but it sure has today. Well, I got half of my, oh, there's the other paper, I see it now. Woo! This is a lot different than living in a tribe, believe me, out in the jungles of New Guinea. Oh! Yeah, it's not very often we get this kind of wind chill where it's 21 degrees below zero, so interesting. There's my son's truck back there. He loves this. He loves the idea of getting out in this kind of cold. He wants to use that four-wheel drive a lot. I don't think I'm going to walk my 5 miles today. Well, wherever you're at, I hope you're warm. Hope that you haven't had any power outage. We just pray for the Lord, pray that the Lord would keep everybody's power on and nobody would get in trouble that way. So you just might pray for that for folks that might be kind of struggling with that aspect of it. Well, listen, I'm going to go inside now. I get my papers and I'm all done with what I'm doing. So you all have a good day and thanks for everything. Bye-bye.